Welcome to My Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram or X at the Caliban, please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Monto. Let's do this. Beautiful, beautiful Sunday over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. The weather is great. It's actually kind of chilly, kind of like sweater weather, honestly. It's funny because it's been so hot. Hot, cold, hot, cold. The wind or the weather can't make up its mind. I'm still recovering from that speculation map that we got for Halloween Horror Nights yesterday. Wow. Just massive IPs. Speculation season has never been like this hype for me, in my opinion, for Horror Nights. Crazy. For today, we're going to check out the coaster. I don't really expect too many changes, but we're going to see studio tour and just have fun, man. It's Universal. Curious what the Sunday crowds are looking like. Lots of stuff, pretty low wait times. Wow. I thought it was gonna be crazy busy today. Over here at Hollywood and Dine, some lighting rigs have gone up. I'm assuming for FanFest related. So it looks like no work today, being Sunday. I think Sunday's their day off over here for this crew. But new track has arrived. Oh my God, I can't even get it all in camera. The track's like way down there. Look at that. Wow. It's going up now. Oh my Lanta. Yeah, look at a different angle. Wow. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. Epicness. Pure epicness. Like, this is already insane, all this stuff happening here, but the stuff that's gonna go down over here in this section is just as wild and terrifying, honestly. I can't wait to get on the studio tour and get better looks at all this. Wow. Here's the progress of the side of Fast and Furious, and it looks like they're doing stuff to the windows now here. That frame that has arrived. I keep wondering if the big like Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift marquee sign, I'm assuming it's gonna go somewhere on this side, or it could be on the other side. I don't know. There's some escalator views of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, and then the new additions that landed all the way at the far end. Wow. Wow, that element is gonna be nuts. All right, time to get some updates over here on the Escalator Hill project. Look at the heavy machinery that has arrived. What? What the heck is going on? Wow. And talk about the Mummy area too, where they dug down right there. They broke brick, or broke concrete. Looks like they're still working on that. And then for the far off end, those walls that went up with that speculation map that dropped yesterday, supposedly, you know, it's all rumor and speculation, Five Nights at Freddy could go at the T-pad, which would be right there. Wow, so much going on with just this little area. Also, too, we have Transformers that's down for a while. There's a big question that's up in the air. Does 3D stay in Transformers? I would assume so. It's been so pivotal to that ride. But it seems like 3D is going to become a thing of the past, you know?
Nice. All right. I want you all to take your fists and point them right at Juliet's face. I'm going to count to 3, and when I get to 3, as loud as y'all can, I want you to say, "Hey, Juliet!" Ready? 1, 2, 3. Juliet. There we go. Nice work, everybody. We have her attention as trainers. All right, I want you all to put your hands down. Now, the first thing we're going to try today is a dance move. This dance move is called tippy tap. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the dance move, then we're gonna ask her to join us, and hopefully she will do that. So everybody join me with your feet. This is tippy taps. Okay, on the count of 3, as loud as you can, I want you all to say, Juliet, tippy taps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And pause. Folks, there she goes. Let's give her a big round of applause for encouragement. Girl with the tippy taps.
Decepticons, rise. Listen well, fleshlings. The hour of your destruction is at hand, and the Autobots are not here to protect you. Your only hope for salvation and survival, bowing before me, raising your fists to the sky, and proclaiming, "All hail Lord Megatron!" If we have an understanding, we can begin. Send in the first flesh bags.
One thing I'm incorporating again when I come to Universal, the stairs. That is right. I'm not doing timed. I'm just trying to get to the top. I've been doing like the first 2, trying to build my way up to start doing 3 of these stairs. You know what I mean? All the way till we could do all of them. That's my goal. All right, set number 2. That's so rough. I think I'm gonna try this today, but I'm gonna take a break. All right, let's go. This is the third one. This is the third one, the 170s. I'm almost there. 260. I was just like feeling good enough to do this. I haven't done all 3 since I've like even attempted to do this stuff, but I got it. And I kind of feel confident I could just finish it off. I am taking kind of a long break, but I think I could do it. Let's go. I didn't come in with the mentality at all that I was gonna do all these stairs. I thought I was just gonna do the first 2, but I'm feeling it, baby. That studio tour is gonna feel really good to just sit down and enjoy Hollywood. That's all I'm thinking about. I'm almost to the studio tour. All right, looks like it's 269. I don't even know how big. Let's do this. So I never realized it's 344. 344 steps up this big ass hill. Yo boy, 5 fires, freaking did it.
Want to take pictures? Absolutely. You can take as many photos as you want. Just no selfie sticks, okay? That is the only thing I ask. And finally, I want you to hold on to everything very tightly. Hold on to your belongings very tightly, because we're going to have a lot of loud noises, fire effects, sudden movements, and water effects. Now, if this is your first time on the tour, don't worry about the water. You're only going to get hit in the face with water if you're sitting in a blue seat today. That's right, they're looking. Yeah, you guys, they're all blue except for mine. Don't be mad at me yet. Now start this tour on your right-hand side. Look, you guys, that's one of the only real things you're gonna see on this tour. That's a real working fire station, just for us here on the lot. That is totally real. And then look on your left. Oh my goodness, look at this construction for our new roller coaster. As you can see, it's opening tomorrow. Okay, good. Just making sure everyone's still awake. No, you guys, it's opening next year, 2026. Thank you. Just that out to you. We have new coaches this season, including Kelsey Ballerini. So I've got... hand side, and Transformers fans, Bumblebee is second from the end on your left. Now, I don't even know if these cars know that they are parked right next door to a total psycho. That filmed right over here. Now, the first movie that filmed here was back in 1960. They did not use the blue screen because obviously we didn't have the technology back then. We just talked about this movie. That was Psycho. Psycho used the pit in front of the screen for the last scene. Spoiler alert. Tom Hanks filmed Apollo 13 there in 95. He also came back and filmed Sully in 2016 there. The rides, park hours, it is a really useful tool. All right, you guys, I just have one last favor to ask you. Do me a favor and stay seated until they open up those doors. That's going to be your cue to stand up and take a look around.
Thank you for watching By Fire's YouTube. That's going to be all for today's trip. What an adventure we've had. Can't wait to come back next week. We're going to keep track with all the Horror Night updates, Fan Fest updates, Fast and Furious updates. There's just so much going on over here at Hollywood. All right, everybody, smash that like button. We're firing it down.